Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix the download failed virus detected error in Google Chrome. Before you continue, only follow these steps if you completely trust the file and the website you are downloading from. If you are not sure whether the file is safe, do not disable your security settings and do not download the file. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and select Manage Settings. Temporarily turn off real-time protection. If Dev Drive Protection is available on your computer, turn that off as well. Now try downloading the file again. If the download is still blocked, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left side, click Privacy and Security. Now click Security. Under Safe Browsing, select No Protection. When the warning appears, click Turn Off. Now try downloading the file again. If the problem is still there, click on the three dots again. Select Extensions. Then click Manage Extensions. Turn off all installed extensions. Some extensions can interfere with downloads and cause this error. Now try downloading the file again. Once the file has been downloaded, immediately turn Real-Time Protection, Dev Drive Protection if you disabled it, and Safe Browsing back on to keep your computer protected. So this is how you can fix the download failed virus detected error in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.